When words become unclear, I shall focus with photographs. When images become inadequate, I shall be content with silence. Happy World Photography Day. Indulging in photography is like having a love affair with life. A photograph is a secret about a secret. The more it tells you, the less you know. Beauty can be seen in all things. Seeing and composing the beauty is what separates the snapshot from the photograph. Happy World Photography Day. There is one component the photo needs to contain: the humanity of the moment. Photography is a way of feeling, of touching, of loving. What you have caught on film is captured forever. It remembers little things, long after you have forgotten everything. Happy World Photography Day. In images, there is a truth so delicate that it turns into greater reality than reality. Photography is the story I fail to put into words. In photography, there is a reality so subtle that it becomes more real than reality. A portrait is now not made in the digicam, however, on both aspects of it. The fine component about an image is that it in no way changes, even when the humans in it do. A good photograph is one that communicates a fact, touches the heart, and leaves the viewer a changed person for having seen it. It is, in a word, effective. Happy World Photography Day. Taking pics is like tiptoeing into the kitchen late at nighttime and stealing Oreo cookies. To me, photography is an art of observation. It's about finding something interesting in an ordinary place. I've found it has little to do with the things you see and everything to do with the way you see them. Happy World Photography Day. It's one thing to make a picture of what a person looks like, it's another thing to make a portrait of who they are. Happy World Photography Day. The photo that you took with your digital camera is the creativeness you desire to create with reality. To me, photography is an art of observation. It's about finding something interesting in an ordinary place. I've found it has little to do with the things you see and everything to do with the way you see them. Happy World Photography Day.